Hey folks, and we're back here live for Indianapolis Motor Speedway for the Porsche Sportscar Together Fest. We've had a lot of great racing going on all day long. That's not over yet. We have something very special yet we're going to do right now for the classic restoration for the Porsche cars here. We've had about 40, 50 cars from around the country restored, giving them a whole new life here. But we've got the top three that's been voted on. We've got them right behind us here. But first, for the manager for Porsche Classic, I'd like to first off introduce Mr. Jonathan Sieber. Jonathan?
Thank you very much. On behalf of Porsche Cars North America, we had the privilege of offering up an opportunity for all of our dealers across the country, all 192. 41 of them actually engaged in the challenge we set forth of finding a classic Porsche, restoring it to how they had a vision, and ultimately going through regional, area, and finally the national competition that we have. The three cars that we've had as the finalist displays throughout this weekend come from our Area West, Area East, and Area South Central. And after nearly a year, it's my honor to actually be able to present who has won this award. Anna and Zach, if you would unveil the winning car. I'd like to congratulate Porsche Ontario.
So a lot of excitement going on here. Look at, if you can see, they are just having a blast. That means so much to them. And what a great thing you guys have done at Porsche here. This is just an absolutely wonderful program.
Yeah, I appreciate it. We want to honor our dealers, and we want to honor the vehicles and the owners that come along with it. And that's why Porsche Classic exists. And the pride that is taken by the dealership, the technicians, the service managers, it's really what Porsche is about. It's a driving factor of what is Porsche passion.
Excellent. Absolutely wonderful stuff. So Porsche Ontario takes home the win. You can see it in their faces. They're so excited. If you miss it, the big hugs, jumping, yelling, and screaming. It's just really amazing stuff. And so that's what the Porsche Classic Restoration is all about. And these guys couldn't be happier. So congratulations to all of our guys here from Porsche Ontario. A wonderful job. And I got to say, just real quick, just a couple quick words. I just want to talk to you just because you were so emotional. It feels so good. Tell me what's on your mind right now.
Well, unfortunately, we're from a great group. And one of our managers that me and Matt worked with, unfortunately passed away yesterday. And this is for Larry Palmer. And me and Matt have been around Porsche for a long time, and to do this is the #1 highlight of my career, and I wouldn't have done it without Matt. And it's just a privilege an honor to work for the company that I work for and be able to do this. It's awesome. It's awesome.
Well, absolutely, you're very welcome. And Larry's with you right now, without a doubt.
This is for him. This is definitely for him. Yeah.
Congratulations, guys. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. So there you have it, folks. Very excited guys. A very emotional time here. And it just couldn't be better. The pinnacle of their career here and winning that right here in Indianapolis. What a wonderful thing. But